welcome back to another video. But this week is actually my birthday week, so I'm turning 25 this Friday, which honestly I am still processing and will never get over. But every year I usually try to do like a themed birthday party, and so 2 years ago I did a Shrek themed birthday party, and this year I'm doing Ratatouille. Ratatouille is hands down one of my favorite movies, and it just deserves a party, you know, because it's so great. So for this year I decided that I'm gonna throw a French themed birthday party with little hints of Ratatouille in it. I'm gonna take you guys along with me this week just to prepare for that, get all the decorations set up, and yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. I honestly just love hosting people. I feel like this party isn't even for me, but it's just for my friends to have a good time, and it's a good excuse to throw a really cute dinner party in the summer. Guys, first thing I got is this Ratatouille headband with Remy that comes with these little pins. This also looks very like Disney dupe-ish, but it works and it was really cheap. And then I also got these letter blow-up balloons that I'm probably gonna take to Party City to blow up. This is kind of a fail. I thought it was gonna be actual napkins, but if you guys can see, it's literally just one square-shaped tissue paper. These glass candle holders because I wanted to decorate the table with candles and flowers. I also got it in a pink color, and this is also so cute. It is T-1 day till my birthday tomorrow. I'm planning to make ratatouille for the dinner tomorrow, which I've never made before, but I think it's pretty simple. It's just sliced vegetables, so we're gonna buy ingredients for that. I also have to do some last minute prep, like blowing up balloons and finishing up the menus, so we're gonna do all of that today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so let's go.
Is that a camera?
Yeah. Alright guys, I am back from grocery shopping and it was very successful. I acquired all the ingredients, and actually this was kind of embarrassing, but someone caught me vlogging in public at the grocery store and they were like, oh my gosh, what's your YouTube channel? Shout out to that person for coming up to me if you're watching this. I got these balloons from Temu and they spell out anyone can cook. I know, I am pretty genius. And I literally just got this like hand pumper from Amazon because originally I was gonna fill it up with helium, and I called a bunch of balloon places, and then this really nice lady let me know that apparently if it's like 16 inches or smaller, the helium isn't gonna hold up in the balloon because it's so small. So I ended up ordering this, and so we're just gonna hand pump all these balloons. So now we're gonna decorate these really cute champagne flute glasses that I got from Michael's, and I'm obsessed with these, but I had an idea of tying ribbon around these. I thought it'd be really cute, and I have just like extra ribbon lying around, and it's all in the details, you know. So I'm just gonna open these and then start wrapping ribbon around it. Good morning guys, it is D-Day, my birthday, and I can't believe I'm turning 25, or I am 25, that's crazy. But it is currently 8 a.m. and I'm gonna start making the ratatouille right now because I just want to get it out of the way before the day starts, and there's so much other things to do. So yeah, we're just gonna make it right now.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some
Alright guys, I just finished getting ready. My birthday OOTD is this white top that I got in Portugal actually from the brand Massimo Dutti. And then I'm just wearing these salmon pink pants. I want to show you guys how the ratatouille turned out because it honestly turned out so well. And like, it was pretty minimal effort. Isn't this beautiful, guys? I'm so proud of my ratatouille. The only thing is I cooked it in this spring pan, so the oil is like seeping at the bottom, but that's okay. I'm probably gonna start bringing stuff down to my apartment lounge where I'm hosting my party. Everything is coming together nicely, and I also picked up my cake earlier today, which is really cute. Usually every year my friends and I buy each other birthday cakes for our birthday parties, but this year I kind of wanted to try like a different cake that I've been wanting to try, so I got it myself. And then I texted my friends like, oh, don't get me a cake because I already bought one, and then they ended up already buying me one, so we'll have double cake today. Also, I want to show you guys my really cute Remy headband that I got off of Temu. It's literally adorable, and it's so obvious. You can tell it's like a knockoff Ratatouille, but I love it. It also has like little clips for your hair. Give me like 1 second. Guys, I look so dumb. I honestly don't know how to do this in a cute way, but isn't this so cute? Just like the fact that I can hold your hair like the actual Remy. I don't know. I think this headband is genius. Guys, it is T-minus 20 minutes and I'm gonna assemble the charcuterie board now. DJ on? I did.
happy birthday.
Thank you. And then he was like, what's your channel?
Oh, this still has some. Yeah, it will turn around.
Okay. Oh.
One is strawberry. This one is chocolate. And this one is strawberry.
No, she's a cancer.
We have 3 cakes for Elaine.
Guava.
Guava.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for filming.
Do you have anything to say to Elaine?
25 and Slay.
Slay! Welcome to the 25 Club!
Day to you. Woo! Oh,